Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make ragu or pig's feet the Haitian way. So those are pig's feet and you can buy them at the supermarket. I got them at Publix. So first you need to, this liquid here is vinegar, distilled vinegar. So you need to let it soak in the vinegar for about 15 minutes. And also you need to squeeze some lime juice and some salt on it. And leave it on for about 15 minutes, like I said. So then you're gonna wash. You're gonna take out the vinegar. So in just a moment, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna wash this. Oh, actually, I have some water. Alright, I'll be right back. Oh, well, you guys can go with me. Alright, so just